Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are good and fine. Fifth class, term 1. We will start our new topic. Yes, our first lesson will be completed. Now we will start our second topic, mapping the earth. Mapping the earth means how we can find out this mapping the earth. A map is drawing of the earth's surface on a flat surface such as sheet of paper. It shows the whole or part of the earth surface. Maps cannot show the true shape of the earth as it is not possible to accurately represent the round earth on a flat surface. Map means drawing of the earth. Map means drawing of the earth. We will draw some designs and examples. We will draw everything, but a sheet of paper we can draw flat surface. We cannot use at a time total area of a हाँ मैप मीन्स मैप बोले तो जब ड्राइंग करते अपन एक पेपर पे फ्लैट सरफेस एक शीट ऑफ पेपर पे ड्राइंग करते मैप के बारे में एर्थ के बारे में उसको मैप बोलते इट शोज द होल और पार्ट ऑफ द एर्थ सरफेस वी कैन सी होल एट द सरफेस पूरा अपना होल एर्थ आता अपने मैप पे मैप्स कैनॉट शो द ट्रू शेप मैप्स कैनॉट शो ट्रू शेप्स अपने मैप्स पूरा ट्रू शेप्स अपन आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर सकते ऑन द अर्थ as it is possible to accurately represent the round earth on a flat surface. However, maps can show greater detail than globes. Unlike globes, they can show just a small part of the earth. However, maps can show greater detail. ग्रेटर मैप्स अपने को ग्रेटर डिटेल्स में शो करते बट देन अनलाइक ग्लोब्स इज ना दे कैन शो जस्ट ए स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ एर्थ अपने को स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ एर्थ का दिखता देर आर डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ मैप्स वी हैव 4 different kinds of map, that is political map, physical map, climate map and vegetation map. Political map, physical map and climate map, vegetation map. Now we can explain political map. Political map shows political boundaries between countries, states and etc. Political boundaries means this is our political map of India. See, we can find out in this political map boundaries of the countries and boundaries of the states. We can find out political map अपने पॉलिटिकल मैप मीन्स बाउंड्रीज जो अपने स्टेट्स के बाउंड्रीज रहते कंट्रीज रहते उसको फाइंड आउट करते किस में इन वेयर पॉलिटिकल मैप्स. नाउ वी विल एक्सप्लेन अवर फिजिकल मैप्स. Physical maps shows the physical features of the place such as rivers, mountains and plains. Physical maps means, see here, physical map of India. Physical map, what we will see on physical map, what the features of physical map is, such as rivers, where is the river, and mountains, Greater Himalaya, Middle Himalaya and Outer Himalaya, and plains the see here we can find out in Greater Himalaya and Ganga, Satluj river, Ravi and Tansingo, Arabian Sea. We can find out in these physical maps. This is in physical maps. Next, climate map shows the climatic condition of a place in a month or in a year. Climate map means, what we will show on climate map, we can find out seasons. On season. Climate map में अपन क्या फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं सीजन्स व्हेन वी विल कम एयर एंड वेन वी विल कम सन एंड रेन. ओके. Vegetation map shows areas of different kinds of vegetation in a place. Vegetation map means where we will crop vegetables, which area will correct to vegetation map. Okay, I hope you can understand this topic. I hope you can understand different kinds of maps. We have 4 different kinds of maps. Your homework is different kinds of maps, that is political map, physical map, climate map and vegetation map. You can write this homework 2 times. Okay, thank you students.